Hello everyone, my name is 𝐂𝐤𝐧𝐤𝐬 and welcome in Wallah platform. As you guys know, whenever any important update and notifications comes, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on Wallah platform. Recently, if you are able to observe, NPCL and AI announced their recruitment based on GATE 2024 scorecard basis, but still the GATE 2023 process is not completed yet. If you are able to observe, lots of PSUs that announced the short notifications through GATE 2023, they still completing their process. So if we talk about guys today's recruitment, then DVC Damodar Valley Corporation, which function under the government of India, released their detailed notifications for graduate engineer for post of executive trainee. And if you are able to observe, DVC function under the Ministry of Power, government of India, and each and every year they recruit based on GATE scorecard. And guys, last year I observed like DVC released two different notifications, like one is based on GATE 2022, and after completing their recruitment process, still some seats remain vacant, so they fill that particular seats based on the different recruitment notifications. So two different notifications announced. So that's why I suggest you guys, whoever have a GATE score more than average, they can apply on DVC based on GATE 2023 scorecard. They have a chance. So guys, if you talk about mechanical, electrical, civil, control and instrumentation, IT and chemical branch, they release their official recruitment. And if you are able to observe guys, their official website will be www.dvc.government.in. so you can visit that particular website, and where career section recruitment notifications are available, and the application link will also active after some time. If you talk about guys the number of vacancies, then for executive trainee mechanical 59 vacancies will be there, for executive trainee electrical 58 vacancies will be there, for executive trainee civil 39 vacancies will be there, for executive trainee control and instrumentation 15 vacancies, for IT 3 vacancies, and for trainee chemical 2 vacancies will be there. So guys, there are different branches vacancies numbers are available, and the maximum age limit they set for is 29 year, and if you belong to any specific category like SC, ST, PWD, you will receive age reductions based on government guideline. And if you talk about guys salary part, then you will receive 56,100 to 1,77,500 in a pay matrix level of 10 in 7 CPC. So you will receive annual salary starting from 56,100, and annual increment will be 3%. Rather than this, you will receive lots of allowances like dearness allowances, HRA, convenience allowances, gratuity medical insurance, lots of other government facilities also available. And guys, if you belong to if you have a GATE 2023 scorecard, then only you are eligible in this particular notifications. If you write GATE 2022 and prior to GATE 2022, and if you write GATE 2024 also, you are not eligible. They clearly mention like GATE 2022 or prior or GATE 2024 students are not eligible, only GATE 2023 students are eligible. So guys, this is a little bit drawback for GATE 2024 students, because still the GATE 2023 process is starting, and then this process is completed. After that, the GATE 2024 recruitment will announce. So almost the student will wait almost for 5 to 6 months, then the PSU release their official notification. Though this is not a good procedure, in my opinion, similar like IIT MTech co-portal, PSUs will also recruit through the common interference, so that will be definitely save the students future. If we talk about like the qualification part, then guys, you need a GATE paper on respective discipline. Computer science and computer science and information technology student also are able to join executive trainee IT post. And the minimum like full-time bachelor degree is required from AICTE approved college, and 60% is minimum marks set for this particular part. If you belong to any specific category, then definitely you will also receive some benefits like 65 marks for general OBC NCL and 60 marks for SC ST PWD. So similarly for every branches that eligible, they mention in this particular table. So I am going to share this particular PDF in 𝐂𝐤𝐴_PW Telegram channel, where you can download this PDF where all the details are mentioned. And rather than this, the application link I also share, so you can just click on that particular application link, and that will definitely help you. And if you talk about guys the cutoff part, then I am going to take one different video where I will try to provide you the expected cutoff and minimum GATE score required to fill the application form of DVC. And if you talk about selection process, then definitely purely on the GATE scorecard basis they are going to select, and GATE 2023 marks if you have, you can apply on this particular requirement. Rather than this, guys, you need to sign the service agreement, bond, and also some procedure you need to follow while applying. So all the details they mention in this particular PDF. So you, guys, I am going to share this PDF in 𝐂𝐤𝐴_PW Telegram channel, from where you can download it. And if you need any help and any assistance while filling the application form, you can just pin me on Telegram channel _PW, and you can also discuss your query with past year students who are currently working in DVC and all. So definitely they will also help you in _PW Telegram channel. Thank you so much guys. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.